What is non-strategic content? Creation of content is easy, but creating good content and connecting to your audience is a daunting task. So when you just create any and everything that you think can go out on your page or that can go out as content marketing doesn't really serve the purpose. Okay, so what do you, have you spoken about this? What do you think of outsourcing the content in comparison to having the content created within your organization? Okay, what do you think? Do you think now as a company, for content marketing or for writing of blogs or articles or anything, do you think it is better to have an in-house team within the organization, or you think it's better to outsource it?
I get to work.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I feel like currently I'm writing two projects. One is an event that we are hosting. So a lot of content that is getting done towards me. Because I'm not in the thick of the activity, I'm on the outside. So many things that are happening there which can impact the content and thereby the marketing I'm not doing. So in this piece of job, I'm actually seeing that gap.
Yeah.
But then other piece of job, like it's more or less long term. Since there's a vision for about 6 months, right? So there will be each piece of content is fresh. I know where it is going. I'm not really bothered by everything asking for what changes happening. Such pieces I can come.
Okay. Yeah, but still you're directly in connection with the company you're working for, right? I'm talking about there are companies which specifically give out their needs and requirements to other agents wherein those companies have their own set of content writers and they give out their opinion that, okay, this is what is required and this is the deadline.
Better to have
Yeah. 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 It's arguable, actually, it's debatable, this topic, whether it is more preferable to have an in-house team. Yeah. Online participants. No, this is, we are trying to understand, if you do not have a strategic plan to your content, what happens?
There is a man called Studying.
Okay.
I don't know in which country it is, but one of their campaigns, they created a page. They were into rebranding themselves. They are introducing this fintech services into their mainstream and they want to rebrand it. So as a part of their marketing campaign, they created a page and they asked people to write about them in that page. So here I think this outsourcing, it worked well for them. We won't believe that page alone brought them 60% of inbound customers.
Because there are... Okay, so what did they expect people to write about them? Means was it general, like...
It's the context of the back end. So if you allow your employees or your content team to write the page, you will be that successful because that emotion, that like a customer all have
different views, yeah.
Customer 10 years before his father was a customer of his bank. Now he is the future, his son is also.
Okay, this is like. Yeah, it depends on the need. Now, this is wherein you're talking about customer testimonials or what are the customers' impression about the brand. I'm talking now when you have a particular project in mind. Now this project is, say, for example, to write about a coming up event or to specifically concentrate on content marketing. So in this way, what do you think? Inbound is better or to outsource it? Yeah, so this is arguable, but as much as possible, if it can be understood within the team itself, it is much easier and it's more preferable because nobody knows your business better than you. And what happens sometimes when you just outsource it, because of the deadline, there are different content writers focusing on different companies at a time. Now, for example, if you are a content writer working in an agency, today your task is to write for company A, company B, company C. So at times, what happens, your mind works on the same lines for company A, B, and C. So when you're working specifically for one company, your mind will not cater around other needs of the other companies. So the uniqueness may be brought about, the ideas for content marketing, and but again, this is arguable. It depends on the situation when you can outsource it. But if preferable and if the time deadline and all that can be done within the company, it is better. Online participants? Online participants, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want to share anything with regards to this topic?
What if there are no expertise inside the company?
Yeah, see, now this is when you want content on a regular basis, you will have a team within your company. And that team obviously will be given training about the goals, the objectives, the font, each and everything, the style guide, the kind of content required for them, the kind of plans that they involve themselves, the kind of sponsoring that they, involve themselves into. All of this will be explained to them. So if you are having an in-house team, there is no chance of saying there's no expertise, because when you have an in-house team, you will also have like a social media manager who is going to give out this, like a normal department. When you have a department within a company, how the goals and objectives are explained to them, same way even for an in-house team in their content marketing, you will have certain goals, certain people who are guiding them, explaining the goals and objectives on daily basis. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vani, you were saying something about non-strategic content. Means you asked, why is it? No, there's no need. Means we are just trying to understand, if you have a plan, how is it going to be effective? And if you do not have a plan, if you do not have a strategy set to your content, how your business can die. Yeah, you can go ahead. Now, reasons and barriers that may come up to content marketing and strategy. What are the different barriers that come in the way of content marketing or having a content strategy plan? Now, say for example, you have a strategy. I need so many number of people who are going to look into this post, and I need so many number of leads at least on this. So what do you think? There are different barriers that may come in the way of you not achieving your goals for your content strategy or for your content marketing. What are the different barriers? Now you have your marketing strategy set, you have your content strategy set, all right. Now, what are the different barriers that may come in your way for you to not achieve those content strategic plans? Got it? Yeah, because if you do not understand the needs of your audience, what content are you going to create in order to reach out to them? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Means if you don't understand out of this content, what are your objectives that you want to receive? What towards the end, what is the objective of me writing this blog post? If you have it, I need a call to action. I need people to visit my website more and buy products. I need people to talk about my products much better in comparison to my competitors' products. If you have those objectives set from the marketing team, you will try to incorporate all those objectives in your content and try to push it. Then, anyone else? Barriers. Budget, what do you think about the budget? If you have insufficient budget, how does it affect?
Channels, chosen channel, you are not able to
Yeah.
even the iteration of strategies for content marketing can get less.
Yeah. See, what happens when you don't have enough funds and you are a new company, obviously to rank on page 1 of Google is not going to happen. But your objectives are you want the highest sales over all your other competitors. It's not going to be possible if you don't promote it much more than your competitors do. You cannot have unrealistic goals set, right? You cannot say that no matter what, this month through my content, I want so many people visiting my website and buying n number of products from me. So when you have funds and you think it is realistic for me to go ahead, you see, on Facebook also, the moment you open more than any other feeds, you see lots of sponsoring. The same thing you go on Instagram, you will see. The same thing you go on Google. So they are not just promoting themselves on one platform. They're using n number of platforms. And sometimes maybe they don't think TV is good enough. So they may leave that channel. Or they want to say that no matter what, on all the channels I've not seen Hopscotch promote themselves on TV, but I've seen First Cry. Yeah. Nowadays there is so much of social media engagement by people that they know that people are not watching TV as much as they used to watch before. They prefer Netflix, they prefer different other channels other than TV. So, and now I was saying, I haven't seen Hopscotch promote on TV, but First Cry, they have chosen TV as well. They've chosen TV, they've chosen Facebook, they've chosen Instagram, they've chosen Google AdWords, all of these platforms. Yeah, for First Cry, no? And has more number of followers also, I think. And I don't think First Cry I've seen much on Facebook. So it depends on what channel you want to choose. I think having a brand like this, wherein instead of the TV, you'll just see it. But the moment you see it on social media, you have the immediate sense to say, click now or install now. It's an immediate reaction from your end. But if you see on TV, there's no immediate reaction. So you need to cleverly choose your channel of advertising. Then the other barriers. Time, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Tight timeline. If you are not able to put out all your goals and objectives, if your content team says we need everything by this evening, and with a tight schedule, you're not able to put out all the objectives. You can see a smile on everyone's face. All must have gone through this, I guess. Okay, then research. You have to have a lot of research. In any and every channel, in any and every part, you need research. Research is very important. Then again, another important thing is to consider whether you will have it in-house or outsource it. This is another factor. Yeah. No, it depends actually. It depends. The paying will depend. And also the different agencies also it will depend. Yeah. Okay, online participants?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.